I just wonder, what if a road roller will drive over a giant slime? You know, some time ago I was playing with this giant slime and Cube or nanodots, you can call it different names, so I still got it. So I had this giant slime in my car, and when I was coming back home I saw this road roller on my way, so I immediately asked the guy whether he could help me. The operator was so kind and agreed. Let me free that out of this jar. Oh, just look at this. It looks like new one. Let's do this. Good luck, my little slime. Don't be afraid. I believe in you. Oh man, just look at this. Oh no. Well, actually I thought that slime would stick to the roll. Finish him. Oh, poor little slime. It sure won't fit in my jar anymore. Is it possible to clean that up? And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.